Yummy noodle is so good and delicious.
That honey stretch!
Guys, today I'm bringing you a completely new content idea with 100% free video tool. This is a food ASMR style video where a girl is simply sitting and eating food. You can also call it a food vlogging style, but with a unique twist. And right now, this type of content is extremely trending. Now, without wasting any time, let me show you the process. First, you need to open Facebook. After opening Facebook, search for a channel called Orbit Panda Record. You can see this page has around 81K followers, which clearly shows it's growing fast. This is a food content creator page. Now, if we click on Reels, you'll notice something very interesting. Many of their videos have hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. The concept is simple. A girl eats food while recording, and that's it. But because of the presentation and trend, these videos go viral. I'm showing you these reels one by one, and you can clearly see the performance. So this means if we create content based on this trend, whether on Facebook or YouTube, there is a very high chance of monetization. Now here's the important part. I have already created a complete master prompt for this. Inside this master prompt, I have included a consistent character, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover, scene-by-scene breakdown, everything structured professionally. You can find this master prompt in my description, or you can simply comment, and I'll provide it to you. Now let me show you how to use it. Just copy the master prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste the entire prompt, and click on Generate. Wait for a few seconds, and boom, you'll get everything ready. Scene-by-scene image prompts, video prompts, voiceover, fully structured content. Exactly the way you asked for. This shows that the master prompt is working perfectly. Now what I do is, I copy each scene one by one and paste everything into a document file. I've already created one where the character prompt is separate, each scene is clearly organized. This makes the workflow much easier. Now, after copying the first prompt, you need to open a website called Flow AI. This tool is 100% free. Click on Create with Flow, start a new project, and log in. I usually select Nano Banana mode because it allows unlimited image generation. Now paste your first prompt and click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and boom, your first image is ready, and you can see how amazing it looks. The character, the style, everything is exactly as expected. Now repeat the same process. Copy the second prompt, paste it, generate, and continue this for all scenes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Within a short time, all your images will be ready. Now you can see. All images are unique, high quality, and consistent. Same character, same face, same hairstyle, different food actions, eating, drinking, etc. Exactly what we wanted. Now download all images in 2K quality. Because next, I'm going to show you a 100% free video tool where you can generate unlimited videos. So let's go. Alright viewers, now without wasting any time, you need to open the website called VideoIno. This website is absolutely amazing. All you have to do is log in with your account, and once you log in, you will receive 500 credits. As you can see on the side, with these 500 credits, you can generate videos in a very powerful and professional way. Make sure you watch till the end, because at the end of this video, I will show you a method to use this website unlimited times, meaning you can get 500 credits again and again. Now, let's move forward. Simply click on AI Video. After clicking on AI Video, you will see multiple options. Here, the best option is WAN 2.6W and WAN 2.6. These video generators are the best because they use very low credits, while the other options consume much higher credits. So, we will select WAN 2.6. From here, I will choose a 5-second duration, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and upload my first image. After uploading the image, I will go to the prompt section and paste my video prompt. As you can see, generating one video with audio takes around 170 credits. Now I click on the Generate option. You can see that my first image to video generation has started, and very quickly it is already around 50% complete, which shows how fast and powerful this tool is. This tool is amazing because it gives you 500 daily credits, and as I mentioned earlier, I will show you a trick at the end to use it unlimited times. Now, after a short wait, you can see that my first image to video is ready. It takes just about 1 minute to generate a complete video. Let's watch the result.
Whoa, look at that honey stretch. This is gonna be super sweet.
Oh my God, viewers, this is amazing. Now I move to the second image. After selecting the second image, I again paste the proper prompt and click on Generate. You can see that the second video is also generating and is already around 50% complete. After waiting for a short time, the second video is also ready. Let's watch it.
Look at this juicy shrimp. So soft, so tasty. I can't.
Oh my God, viewers, this is also incredibly amazing, very unique, and comes with a great voiceover. This clearly shows that the video quality of this website is extremely good. Now I repeat the same process for the third image. I select it, apply the prompt properly, and click on Generate. After a short wait, the third video is also ready. All right, viewers. Now all of my videos are ready. You have seen each video one by one. All videos are created in a very unique style, with high-quality visuals and consistency. Now comes the most important part: how to use this tool for free unlimited access. Here's what you need to do. First, log out of your account. Then go back to Login and click on Sign Up Free. You will see a field. What should we call you? Here, you can enter any name you like. For example, I will enter Smart Tech. For the email, you need to open a temporary email, temp mail service. Since this platform is 100% free, you can simply copy a temp email, paste it here, and click Send. You will receive a verification code in the temp mail inbox. Copy the code, paste it here, and your account will be created instantly. Now you can see, I have received another 500 credits. This means whenever your credits run out, you can simply repeat this process using a new temp email and continue generating videos. All right, viewers, I hope you really liked today's tool. Now let's move to the final step, editing. For editing, I will open CapCut. I will drag all the generated videos into the timeline and arrange them in sequence. The best part about this website is that there is no watermark or logo on the videos. This is very important because most platforms add their branding, but this tool gives you clean and professional output. After reviewing all clips, I will export the final video. As you can see, I have created a 30-second final short video by combining all clips. Now simply click on Export and your final video will be ready. You can see the final output. It looks clean, professional, and highly engaging, and all these videos are extremely unique. All right, viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's new idea. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel because your support means a lot to us. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting idea. Until then, goodbye.